Academic Maths Nursery 4 Plus, page 3. Dear children, today we will read about colors. You see many colors around you. This world is full of colors. Everything has one color or the other. Let's begin today's lesson. We will read about red color and which objects are found red in nature. Red is a color of festivity. Tomato, red tomato. Rose, red rose. Pomegranate, red pomegranate. Here we have another color, yellow. It is also bright color. Let's see which natural objects have yellow color. Sunflower, yellow sunflower. Lemon, yellow lemon. Sun, yellow sun. Now let us read about blue color. It is a fantastic color indeed. Blue bird, blue bird. Blueberries, blueberries. Blue sky, blue sky. Here we have green color too. It is refreshing color. Leaf, green leaf. Okra, green okra. Tree, green tree. STEAM activity. Pick red and yellow balls from a basket and count their numbers each. Think and tell. Name any two natural objects having red and yellow colors. Dear teachers, make the children recognize and spell basic colors. Show them flashcards or charts and ask them about the colors of different objects. Read out a short rhyme to depict colors and their importance in life. Involve them in coloring activity that may be handprint coloring a picture or something similar. Have a nice day.